Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're doing another video and today we're going to be doing some more foil transfer nails. My last video did feature some foil transfer, so today we're going to be doing something with foils again. So I'm prepping the nails right now with some primer, and this shape and length is a long coffin, and I'm doing these nails for myself, just to have a few press-on sets on hand when I'm ready to use them. The color I'm going in with here is Lavender Cupcake, and it's from Igel Beauty, and it's this really nice pastel purple, and the consistency is really nice. I mean, this is just one coat and you see like doesn't even need another coat, but of course I'll go in with like one more coat, just to be safe and to make sure everything is covered and everything is opaque. So we're going to be doing that to all 5 of the nails. We're putting that to cure in the lamp for about 30 seconds, and then we're going in with one more coat. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Shameen, and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So now that we're done with that, we're going to get all the foil transfers we're going to be using, and these are some butterfly transfer foils that I've had for a really long time and I had to use them. So I decided that for this set I was going to use the different colors of butterflies. So let's get them out. I went ahead off camera and I cut all the pieces I wanted to use. So we have black, I guess that's pink, blue, green and white. So now for the foil transfer. When you're doing foil transfer, always remember when you're putting on the glue gel, you want one nice thin even layer on the nail, but you want it to cover the entire nail. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to put it in a UV lamp to cure for about 60 seconds. That's 1 minute. If you have a weaker UV lamp, you should probably do it for like 2 minutes. You put it to cure. When it's done curing, you take it out and you leave the nails to cool down for about 1 to 2 minutes. That helps with the glue gel to be even tackier or stickier, so that the foils can adhere to them better and you have no problems doing the foil transfer. Okay, so the foil transfer gel has been cured and I left it to dry for about a minute or two, and now I'm going to start apply my butterflies. So I'm just cutting it out, just the single butterfly I want to use. And when you have foils like this, you can, if you just want to use like one portion, you could cut it out. So I'm starting here by placing the butterfly on the nail, and you want to make sure that it's the brighter side, that is the side facing you when you press down the foil. The foil has like a matte side and a shiny side, so the shiny side is going to be facing you if you when you're putting it on the nail. I'm using my cuticle pusher here to push in the butterfly. I'm just using it to press the butterfly onto the nail so that it will transfer. All right, and we're just going to be doing that, and once you think that it's good, you could go ahead and try to pull it off. So this was crazy because look what happened here when I tried to pull it off. It did not transfer, so I was obviously really disappointed, and I went in again, and this happens sometimes. And at this point in time I did not know what the reason for it was, so I decided to go in with another foil, well, another butterfly, one of the blue ones, and I tried doing it just to see if it was a problem with the foil gel or if it was just the foil itself that I was using. And to my surprise, the blue one transferred pretty easily, so I was of the opinion that it was the foil itself. So I'm going to try one more foil transfer at the base of the nail where I was trying to transfer the black butterfly, and to see if it works. So I'm placing it down and pressing it, rubbing it in, the usual, and surprisingly transferred. So I guess in this case I just probably had to apply a little bit of elbow grease to it in order for the foil to transfer. So we're just going to go ahead and do this to the other nails, and I will let you look at that. By the way, if you like videos like this, feel free to subscribe to this channel so you can keep up with my nail videos. And if you like this video in particular, you could hit it a little thumbs up. You know, we're trying to keep the channel growing over here. Okay, so transferring all of those butterflies individually was tiring, but we did it. These are the nails look, and now I'm applying some top coat. I'm using Beetles gel top coat, and I thought that it was a good time to continue, like, you know, not trying it out, because I used to use it before when I now started doing press-on nails. But this top coat is low-key very, very good. It's nice, shiny, and it's very thick. You only have to use one coat, cure it for 60 seconds, and you're good to go. So yeah, that will still give you the sleek, shiny finish that you're looking for. So we're going to put the top coat over all those nails, cure it for 60 seconds, and these are how the nails look. And since it's a press-on set for myself, I'm going to put it on and take it outside to show you how it looks outside. I'm really happy with how these turned out, and you know, we shouldn't really be afraid of our foil transfer, so we could find some use for them. These are how the nails look on the outside. Again, very, very pretty in the sunlight. This pastel purple color is almost a perfect base. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.